Now, India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has said that the day is not far when Pakistan-occupied Kashmir will voluntarily return to India. At a summit of the Confederation of Indian Industries Business Summit in New Delhi, Singh highlighted India's military strength as he emphasized a more humanistic and inclusive vision for POK. In a strong and emotionally charged message, Rajnath Singh said that the people of POK are driven by a sense of shared identity and belonging with India. He reached out, calling the POK part of India's own family, as he stressed a commitment to one India, great India.
भारत हमेशा ही दिलों को जोड़ने की बात करता है और हमें विश्वास है कि प्रेम, एकता और सत्य के मार्ग पर चलकर वह दिन दूर नहीं जब हमारा ही अंग पीओके स्वयं लौटकर कहेगा, मैं भारत हूं, भारत ही हूं, मैं वापस आऊंगा। और वापस आया हूं, मैं भारत ही हूं, मैं वापस आया हूं, यह पीओके कहेगा, ऐसा मेरा पक्का विश्वास है। पीओके की भारत से एकजुटता इस देश की सांस्कृतिक, सामाजिक और आर्थिक समृद्धि पर निर्भर करती है।
Singh also reiterated India's recalibrated policy on dialogue with Pakistan. The talks in the foreseeable future will only focus on two issues, that is terrorism and POK. Now, Pakistan's policy of terror against India, he said, will come at a very heavy price. Now, in his capacity as the Defence Minister, Rajnath Singh's big focus at the CIA Business Summit was India's defence manufacturing sector. The Defence Minister further said the defence technology made in India had made a huge impact during Operation Sindoor, especially in the defence systems against Pakistani drones. He underscored India's huge potential in terms of skilled manpower waiting to be tapped.
साथियों, जब मैं मेक इन इंडिया के माध्यम से प्रॉस्पेरिटी की बात करता हूं, तो मेरी बात सिर्फ डिफेंस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तक ही सीमित नहीं है। मेक इन इंडिया हमारे लिए डिफाइनिंग मूवमेंट है जो 20वीं शताब्दी में जापान में आया था। हम जापान की तरह ही इंजीनियरिंग, हाई प्रिसीजन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और फ्यूचर टेक्नोलॉजीज के लिए एक डेवलपमेंट हब बन सकते हैं।
Now, India is one of the world's largest importers of defence equipment. However, in the last decade, there's been a strong thrust on domestic production and technology development. There's also an increasing focus on artificial intelligence, drone warfare, cyber defence and space-based defence systems. India aims to achieve 1.75 lakh crore rupees, that is $21 billion in terms of defence production by 2025.